Hello YouTube, this is Global Cooking Studio and today we'll be cooking delicious Ilish Polao. Ilish Polao recipe has two parts. First cooking Ilish Korma, which is a type of curry, and combining with Polao. Ilish Polao can be cooked in so many different ways, but today in this video I'll be showing the easiest one. So let's begin. For cooking it, we need Hilsha fish, rice. We also need onion slices, garlic, ginger slices, spice powder, special masala powder, red chilli powder, also turmeric powder, water, salt, etc. We'll be needing raisin, peanuts, bay leaf, cinnamon, cardamom, butter or ghee, etc. Firstly, we make mixture for the Hilsha fish. We take yogurt and other spices and then we mix them well. Now we're adding the mixture to the fish and we mix them very well. Now we take a fry pan, add some oil and we heat it. The first part of cooking it is frying the fish. We're adding all the ingredients: onion slices, ginger slices, garlic slices, other spices, salts, yogurt, etc. We'll be adding it and cooking it, and we'll make it like a curry. And later on we'll add the fish. Now we're adding all the fish and we'll be cooking it. we are frying the onion. Took butter here and also bay leaf, cinnamon and cardamom, and we fried them together. Afterwards, we add pulao rice and fry it together. Here you can see the rice color has been changed, and there is an excellent aroma in the air. Now add hot water in them, around 4 cups I guess, and cook it. Now adding peanut and raisin. Pulao is actually ready now, and we'll be adding the fish in here. Mix them and cook it for a few minutes. Lastly, we'll be adding the fried onion. Here it is done, and this is the easiest way of making delicious Ilish Polao. And you can serve it on a plate like this. It's awesome and it tastes out of the world. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and press the bell button for upcoming notifications. Goodbye.